You're going to fight. I have to fight every day until this conflict is resolved. I could only pray for you, pray for my policemen that there will be deliverance from harm. And because we have the weapons and the equipments, and we have the air assets to help you, we will try our very best na magamit lahat to protect you at the time when you are fighting. My message mainly to the terrorists on the other side is kung madala pa natin ito ng usapan. Yung talagang out na terrorista na, and if you cannot be convinced to stop fighting, so be it. Away na lang tayo. Ang utos ko naman sa tropa is lahat ng tao na hindi authorized ng gobyerno na magdala ng baril at lumaban, patayin ninyo. Ubusin na lang ninyo. Kasi ganun rin ang labas. He will come back to fight for another day. But if they want to talk, I would be most thankful to Allah na mag-usap tayo at ng kayapaan. Pero kung maglaban sila, wala tayong magawa. Go for it. At may full support kayo sa akin. I'm scraping the bottom of the barrel to look for money to see you through. Basta lahat ng kailangan ninyo, ibigay ko. Lahat. Hintay-hintay lang kayo sa mga bagong baril, the weapons. Hindi naman, yung ordinary, rebellion, this is not a war. But there are weapons or armaments that we must have to effectively fight, lalo na to prevent collateral damage. Because if the people are against us, medyo mahirapan tayo. But if we can inflict damage only to those who want to fight and contain the firefight between combatants, that would be the best solution. I am here to say to you, fight, and I will pray for you, and I will answer for everything. Huwag na kayong mag-alaala. During martial law, your commanders, you can arrest any person, search any house, wala nang warrant. In the meantime, fight for the country. Ako, kung maaari lang, kung pwede lang rin ako makisali sa inyo, sasali ako. Huwag kayo mag-alaala, sasamahan ko kayo. I will, if you go down, I go down. But for this martial law, and the consequences of martial law, and the ramifications of martial law, I, and I alone, would be responsible. Trabaho lang kayo.